From the packing bench to the conveyor line, from the scan tunnel to the pallet, from the forklift through the dock door. Monitor every package accurately as it travels through your warehouse. Zebra machine vision and fixed industrial scanning solutions allow you to move goods quickly and efficiently and track them every step of the way. Power over Ethernet simplifies installation and deployment with a single cable. A liquid lens enables electronic focusing for accurate setup without tiresome manual adjustments. Deep learning-based optical character recognition tools read everything from expiration dates to mailing addresses with minimal setup, and our Aurora software coordinates inspections from a single interface. Accelerate your warehouse operation with Zebra Machine Vision Solutions.